All right, so we are doing preparation for your ELLT speaking module.
Yes.
Acha. You know there are 4 parts. How many parts are there? How many sections are there?
Four parts.
Yes. So the first one is introduction. Introduction में क्या होता है? The examiner will ask you about your name,
Introduction.
about your passport, about your place, about your room. You are supposed to show him your room. आपने अपना रूम उनको शो करना है, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
और इनके बाद वो आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है that why do you want to come to the UK or why do you want to go to the UK? So you must be crystal clear that I want to go to the UK for my further study because there are top notch university are available. So I want to get master degree from there.
ओके।
ठीक है, इनके बाद जो है ना सेकंड there would be presentation. Presentation कौन सा? While you were booking your speaking module, जो presentation आपको दिया जाता है, so you have to talk from 3 to 5 minutes, जो कि हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे ये, ठीक है?
ओके। यस।
इनके बाद essay. The essay which you have written, जो ऐसे आपने राइटिंग मॉड्यूल में लिखा है, there would be some questions regarding that. They could ask you about the synonyms of the difficult words. इनके बाद there could be general questions regarding your essay. आपके essay के बारे में जनरल क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ सकते हैं. सो वी विल ऑल्सो बी प्रिपेयरिंग देम. उनको भी हम तैयार करेंगे, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर।
इनके बाद द लास्ट वन इज पिक्चर. देयर वुड बी ब्लैक एंड वाइट पिक्चर and that would be on the screen for around about 20 seconds and sometime टीचर जो है आखिर तक ये पिक्चर छोड़ देता है and he tells or she tells you to talk about it. So आपने उनमें क्या क्या देखना होगा? that what kind of clothes the people in the picture have worn, whether, ठीक है, प्लेस के कौन से प्लेस पे बैठे हुए हैं, देयर आर बेंचेस और बेड और क्या है जो कि वहां पर वो बैठे हुए हैं, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर।
बैकग्राउंड को जज करना होगा कि बैकग्राउंड में क्या है.
यस सर।
इनके अलावा आपने if there are two people, there are two person and they are having discussion, so आपने उसी को अपने आप से बोला होगा that they are having discussion over their countries inflation or whatever जो भी हो, I'll be telling you all of them, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
So हमारा जो ये 2 parts है ना, inshallah they'll be crystal clear and you will pass these things very easily. It would be a piece of cake for you. इस पे थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस
Okay, sir.
करना होगा and we will also be practicing some
Yep.
general spoken topics where you get fluent, where you combine different contents.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा, ये it is from 13 to 15 minutes स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल होता है, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
इनमें आपका ये जो स्पीकिंग है ना, इनको कवर किया जाएगा. सो ये जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है ना, इनको हम अभी करने वाले हैं. सो कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी योर नेम? व्हाट्स योर फुल नेम?
My full name is Naveed Ahmed.
All right. Do you have any nickname?
Yes, I have a nickname. My nickname is Naveed.
All right. So what should I call you? Should I call you Naveed or Naveed Ahmed? What should I call you? Naveed or Naveed Ahmed?
Sorry, repeat the question, sir. Yes, you can call me Naveed.
All right, Mr. Naveed. Where are you from?
Yes. I am from Gujarat, district Gujarat.
Okay, so I am from Gujarat, which
District
is
Gujarat, which is located in Punjab. Yes.
considered
Located in
the
Punjab.
historical place in Pakistan. I am from Gujarat, which is considered the historical place in Pakistan. ठीक है? समझ आ रहा है नवीद?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
ठीक है, sir.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
अच्छा. Acha, there would be another question that can you please show me your passport? तो आपने फिर अपना passport show करना होगा. इनके बाद
Yes, sir.
इनके बाद जो है ना, आपने अपना रूम, पासपोर्ट, फिर अपना रूम शो करना होगा. ठीक है? आपने रूम दिखाना होगा that there is nobody and there is only one entrance door. इनके बाद
Okay,
he
sir.
or she may ask you why do you want to come to the UK? आप यूके क्यों आना चाह रहे हैं? I want to
Yes, sir.
go to the UK for further study, as we all know that the top-notch universities are available over there. Consequently, or so I want to complete my master degree from the UK. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Acha, so which university have you selected?
I have selected the university, BPP University.
All right, so you are going there. Like your requirement is overall 7, and speaking you are supposed to score 6 or above it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा इन सबका समझ आ गया आपको?
Yes, sir. इतनी आ गई है.
Inshallah, you know, these two we will be discussing in detail, and especially the fourth one.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? इनके अलावा जो है
Yes,
ना,
sir.
ये
जी जी.